As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Spirit E-210. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Charbroil is definitely more portable, right?
Totally. It's built for tailgating and camping. It weighs only 20 pounds and has a latching lid. The Weber is also listed at 20 pounds, which is weird, but it is larger overall with those side tables and everything.
True. The Weber's a bit bigger, meant for a patio or balcony. It's got a larger cooking area, 450 square inches compared to the Charbroil's 200.
Yeah, that's a big difference. The Charbroil is only one burner with 9,500 BTUs, while the Weber has two burners. The Weber's wattage is listed as 20.4, which doesn't seem right.
Definitely. More burners, more heat. If you're cooking for more than a couple of people, the Weber is probably the better choice. Plus, it has tool hooks.
Good point. The Charbroil uses TRU infrared cooking, which they say eliminates flare-ups and cooks food evenly. Does the Weber have anything like that?
Nothing specifically mentioned like that. The Weber boasts porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates for even heat retention, and a grease management system which sounds convenient.
Ah, okay. The Charbroil also has a removable grease tray, which is nice. I noticed the Charbroil can be converted to use a larger 20 pounds propane tank, which is cool.
Nice! The Weber has caster wheels for easy moving, and it is made with a porcelain-enameled lid and cookbox that won't rust.
The Charbroil is way cheaper, though. I'm seeing it for around $148, while the Weber is closer to $500.
Yeah, that's a huge price jump. You're paying for the Weber name and the extra features. It's also Amazon's choice, so people seem to like it.
True. The Charbroil has a ton of reviews, too, and a good rating. But some people complain about the heat being too intense.
Good to know. So if you need something super portable and budget-friendly, the Charbroil seems solid. But if you want a bigger, more feature-rich grill for home use, the Weber's the way to go, assuming you're willing to spend the extra cash.
Makes sense. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.